This is Jack. Around 6 months ago, he was facing a huge problem since his boiler had stopped working and he had no idea how to fix it. Meanwhile, Jack heard about O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd and everything changed. Immediately, he browsed o'brienenergy.com.au and called them at 1300771759, as he was a bit curious about them. With their top-notch boiler repair services, Jack was able to get his boiler back up and running in no time. They also offered a range of high-quality boiler parts that he could rely on, including forced draft burner parts and much more. Their team of experts took the time to explain every step of the repair process to Jack, ensuring he felt confident. As Jack marveled at the impressive range of parts and services on offer, he felt grateful for contacting them. With their help, he had been able to overcome a major obstacle with ease and was ready to take on whatever the future might hold. Like Jack, are you looking for reliable, high-quality boiler parts and repair services? Contact O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd today.